The Taiwanese Scallion Pancake, also known as Kong Yubing, has a long history that can be traced back to the Tang Dynasty in China. During this time, wheat flour became more widely available and people started making various types of pancakes and flatbreads. Over time, as culinary techniques and flavors evolved, different regions in China developed their own versions of scallion pancakes. In Taiwan, the dish has become a popular street food and breakfast item. Today, the Taiwanese scallion pancake has become a beloved dish both in Taiwan and around the world. It is often enjoyed as a simple snack or as part of a larger meal, and its popularity continues to grow as more people discover its delicious flavor and satisfying texture. Now let's watch this master chef make it. He starts by adding water, salt, and sugar to a pan and just heating to a simmer or 205 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, he adds flour and the hot water to a mixing bowl. Then adds room temp water until he gets the right consistency. When water is added to flour, the gluten proteins begin to bind together to form long, stretchy strands. Kneading the dough with a dough hook helps to further develop these gluten strands, creating a smooth and elastic dough. Mixing with a dough hook on low to medium speed for several minutes allows the gluten to develop and the ingredients to be thoroughly combined. Overmixing can cause the dough to become tough and rubbery, so it's important to stop mixing as soon as the dough is fully combined and smooth. He forms it into a smooth ball and smacks it around a bit. Cover and let rest for 30 minutes. Time to cut the scallions. Cut and portion to whatever size you like. Next, he spreads on some garlic or butter and sprinkles on a little Chinese 5-spice and the scallions. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this. See you in the next video.